It's an old traditional. You might know it. We spent 15 years getting loaded, 15 years until his liver exploded. Now what's Bob gonna do now that he can't drink? Doctor said, what you been thinking about? And Bob said, well, that's the point. Don't wanna think about nothing. I've got to do something else to pass the time. Had someone shave his head. He got a new identity. 62 old air cushion boots and a girl who rides her scooter to take him out of town. They would get away, running around, and as the trucks piled by, they could hear some motherfucker play. Security! Couple of lines, an extra film or some joke. They'll be kicking in heads at the punk rock show. Cause Bob's the kind of guy who knows just what. Bob's the kind of guy who knows just what to do. When the doctor tells him to quit your drinking, now's the time. But will he